You are literally throwing money away every single month and you probably don't even realize it. Most people just pay their car insurance bill without a second thought, but that silence is costing you thousands of dollars over time. If you're tired of seeing those premiums creep up while your bank account goes down, stick around. We are going to fix that right now. Welcome back to Smart Life. Today, I am showing you exactly how to slash your car insurance premium without sacrificing your coverage. At Smart Life, we focus on making your money work harder for you. Let's get straight into the practical steps that actually move the needle. First, you need to check your deductible. This is the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in. Most people keep this at $500 because it feels safe. But if you have a solid emergency fund, bumping that up to $1,000 can drop your monthly premium by 15 to 30%. It is an instant win for your monthly budget. Next, stop paying for things you don't need. If you are driving an older car that is worth less than a few $1,000s, you might be overinsuring it. Take a look at your collision and comprehensive coverage. If the annual cost of the insurance plus your deductible is more than the car is worth, it is time to drop those extra add-ons. You are paying for a payout that will never happen. The third tip is the easiest one. Ask for a telematics discount. Most major insurers now offer a small plug-in device or an app that tracks your driving habits. If you don't drive like a race car driver and stay off your phone, they will give you a massive discount. Some people save up to 40% just by proving they are safe drivers. Fourth, you have to shop around every 6 to 12 months. Loyalty does not pay in the insurance world. New companies are constantly looking to grab market share and will offer lower introductory rates to get you in the door. It takes 10 minutes to get a quote and it could save you hundreds. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip that most people miss. Check your mileage. If you started working from home or your commute got shorter, tell your agent. Most premiums are based on how many miles you drive per year. If you dropped from 12,000 miles to 5,000, your rate should drop too. Saving money on insurance is one of the fastest ways to increase your monthly cash flow. If these tips helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Life for more ways to optimize your finances. Drop a comment below and let me know which company gave you the best rate this year. See you in the next one.